Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here today. My name is Hadli Rahmah, and I am excited to share with you some important insight on a topic that affects all of us in our daily life: the hidden dangers of excessive sugar consumption. Present by Hadli Rahmah, Class 1A, Diploma for Accounting, Politeknik Negeri Padang. Background. In today's modern era, the consumption of sweet food and beverages continues to increase, mainly due to a practical lifestyle and the easy availability of instant products. Without realizing it, many people, especially young adults, consume more sugar than the recommendation daily limit. This is concerning because excessive sugar intake not only leads to obesity but also increases the risk of serious health problems such as diabetes, heart disease, and other metabolic disorder. Unfortunately, many people are still unaware that sugar is present in various food and drink that appear too healthy. Therefore, it is important to provide education about the hidden dangers of excessive sugar consumption so the public become more aware and able to maintain a healthy diet. This issue has not gone unnoticed. As we can see in many media outlets, the dangers of excessive sugar consumption are being taken more seriously. Number studies reporting an article in newspaper, magazine, and health blog have highlighted the alarming rise in sugar consumption and its negative impact on public health. Health expert organizations and every government have started calling for stricter regulation on sugar content in food and beverages, as well as greater awareness campaign to educate the public. This growing media attention reflects the urgent needs for change, and it is time for us to be more conscious of what we consume. So now let's move on the main discussion. In this presentation, I would like to explain several key aspects related to sugar consumption that are essential for us to understand. 1. What is sugar and its type? 2. Daily sugar intake recommendation. 3. Why sugar causes addiction. 4. Effect of excessive sugar consumption. 5. How to reduce excessive sugar intake. By the end of discussion, I hope you will be more aware of how sugar impacts us and how we can take practical steps to avoid its hidden dangers. Sugar and types. Sugar is sweetener commonly found in food and drink. It can come from natural sources like fruit and milk or be added to processed food. Our body needs a small amount of sugar for energy, but too much can be harmful to our health. Common types of sugar. 1. Glucose, a simple sugar that is the body's main source of energy, found in fruit and vegetable. 2. Fructose, a natural sugar found in fruit and honey. 3. Sucrose, table sugar we use every day. It's a mix of glucose and fructose. 4. Lactose, the natural sugar found in milk and dairy products. In general, sugar is divided into two types: natural sugar and artificial sugar. Natural sugar is found naturally in food like fruit, vegetable, and milk. This type of sugar usually comes with fiber, vitamin, and minerals that are beneficial for the body. On the other hand, are artificial sugar such as the table sugar, high fructose corn syrup, or other sweetener is often added to processed food and drink. What we should be concerned about is the excessive consumption of added sugar, as it can lead to various health problems like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. The next point is that daily sugar intake recommendation. The World Health Organization recommends a maximum of 50 grams of sugar per day, or around 12 teaspoons, and ideally less than 25 grams or 6 teaspoons. Overconsumption is common due to hidden sugar in food and drink. From this, we can see that many people in our society consume sugar far beyond the recommended amount. The next point, why sugar causes addiction. Sugar stimulates the release of dopamine in the brain, creating a feeling of pleasure. This leads to repeated craving, forming a habit similar to addiction. As you can see in the image beside, there are examples of food and drink that contain high amount of sugar, such as canned drink, sweet food like candies, cake, ice cream, and chocolate, all of which contain added sugar. Important to realize that effect of excessive sugar consumption. Short-term effect. 1. Energy spikes and increases. Consuming too much sugar can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar, giving you a quick burst of energy, followed by a sudden drop, making you feel tired and sluggish. 2. Difficult focusing. After sugar crash, your brain may find it harder to concentrate, leading to reduced productivity and attention span. 3. Increases hunger. Sugar does keep you full. In fact, it can make you feel hunger shortly after eating, which may lead to overeating. 4. Mood swing. The ups and downs in blood sugar level can affect your mood, cause irritability, anxiety, or even mild depression. Long-term effect. Obesity. Excess sugar adds extra calories with little nutritional value, contributing to weight gain and increases the risk of obesity. 2. Type 2 diabetes. Over time, high sugar intake can lead to insulin resistance, a major risk factor for developing type 2. 3. Heart disease. Consuming too much sugar is linked to high blood pressure, inflammation, and fat bulk, all of which can increase the risk of heart disease. 4. Touch disease. Sugar feeds the bacteria in your mouth, producing acid that can erode tooth enamel and cause cavities. 5. Skin aging, mental health problem. High sugar intake can speed up skin aging through a process called glycation and may also worsen symptoms of anxiety, depression, and other mental health conditions. Next point, how to reduce excessive sugar intake. 1. Read nutrition label carefully. Reading food label help you identify hidden sugar in packaged product. Ingredients like corn syrup, fructose, or maltose often indicate added sugar. By being aware of what's inside your food, you can make better choices. 2. Replace sugar drink with water. Drink like soda, sweetened tea, and energy drink contain a lot of added sugar. Replacing them with water, infused water, or unsweet beverages can significantly reduce your sugar intake. 3. Reduce processed food. Processed food often contain high level of sugar, salt, and unhealthy fat. By reducing your intake of processed food, you lower your risk of consume hidden sugar and improve your overall diet. 4. Choose fruit as a snack. Fruit is naturally sweet and provide fiber, vitamin, and mineral. Choosing fruits intakes of sugary snack like candy or cookies helps satisfy sweet craving in healthy way. 5. Cook at home to control ingredient. When you cook at home, you have full control over the ingredient, include the amount of sugar. This allow you prepare healthy meal and avoid unnecessary add sugar. So, in conclusion, consuming too much sugar and lead to seriously health problems such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Unfortunately, many people are unaware of how much hidden sugar they consume each day. That is why it is important for us especially young people, to be more aware and make healthier choices. Choosing naturally and minimally processed food is one of the best way to reduce sugar intake and protect our long-term health. One example can be seen in food menu I have displayed beside me. These food are real, whole food that are very good for our health, contain little to no preservative and help reduce the amount of sugar usually consumed daily as they already contain natural sugar. Therefore, reducing sugar is not just a choice, but a responsibility to protect our health, especially for that younger generation. Thank you so much for your attention. I truly appreciate your time and interest. Thank you very much.